Let's dive into a bizarre programmer mystery. What if your code just got simple math wrong?
I mean, imagine your program can't even do basic addition. It's a real and frankly maddening problem.
So a junior dev, Timothy, ran into this exact problem. His program was just losing moves. He expected a final count of 200,000, but instead, he got this number. Way off.
And here's the really weird part. He ran it again and got another wrong answer, a different one.
So what's going on? Well, different parts of his code, the threads, are basically interrupting each other.
And here's the secret. What looks like one line of code to you is actually 3 separate steps for Python.
Yeah, it's a 3-step process. First, Python has to read the value, then modify it, then write it back.
The problem starts when one thread gets paused mid-step, then another one jumps in and work gets overwritten.
So you see, 2 additions happened, but the counter only went up by 1. An update just vanished.
So how do we fix this? We need to make the threads take turns to stop them from interrupting each other.
And luckily, there's a tool for that, built right into Python. It's called a threading.lock.
I love this analogy from an expert, Margaret. She says to think of it like a talking stick for your threads.
And in your code, you use it with a with statement. This creates a sort of safe room for your update.
And just like that, with the lock in place, you get the right answer, 200,000, every single time. But okay, there's always a trade-off, right? While one thread's in the safe room, the other one just waits.
So you're constantly balancing these 2 things, keeping your data safe versus keeping your program running fast.
So, to recap Margaret's cheat sheet, remember x plus equals 1 is not one step, and that with lock statement is your safe room. Which brings us to a final thought. Take a look at your own code. Where's your most critical safe room?